Hey everyone, so the E63 is absolutely filthy because I haven't washed it in a while and we're under water restrictions here in the Bay Area because we haven't had any water. So unfortunately, I am going to take it through a touchless automatic car wash and let's see how well this does. Well, due to water restrictions, we've gotten desperate, so it's time to go to the automatic car wash. Luckily, this one is touchless. We've entered our code. Now we're waiting our turn. Okay, here we go. It's our turn. Well, the car is definitely vaguely soapy. What do you think, Jason? Is this exciting so far?
Really?
Is this what you expected?
Kind of.
We're getting high pressure rinse now.
Didn't remove any of the bird poop.
I am glad to see that my bead maker is still beading relatively nicely on the glass. Got a little bit of pressure there. Yeah, this top spray is so far away, there's no way you can possibly get anything decent off the hood.
Still didn't get off the bird poop from the roof either. Guess that's it. Well, these drying fans certainly move some air.
Like that's part of the wash.
Okay, let's see how we did. Well, not real well. Got nothing off the wheels, left most of the bird poop on the paint. I think that made as much of a mess as it cleaned. At least it didn't scratch the car because it's touchless, but blah. Alright, I'm here in my garage now and we're going to take another look at how the automatic car wash did. Alright, so we've got all this kind of weird hazing on the black trim, which is not going to be much fun to get off. It didn't get actual bird poop off. I mean, the car is definitely cleaner. In an emergency or a time like this when you can't actually do a car wash, I mean, I get it. But yeah, definitely not a great wash by any means. The other problem with these washes is they use fairly harsh chemicals which strip off any protection you've got in order to clean. If I touch the surface here, it's very grabby, not very smooth feeling. Yeah. All right, so to answer the question, is the automatic car wash worthless? Even the touchless ones? Nah, I'd say it's not. I mean, especially when you're in a state like me that you're currently having to be under water restrictions due to drought conditions. This is after about 20 minutes with my favorite instant detailer, which is the Griot's ceramic speed shine. 20 minutes later, the car looks not too bad. I mean, there's certainly still some things that I've missed and it's not perfect looking, but we didn't get any additional swirls into the paint and the car looks clean. I mean, from this side, I'd say it did a 70 or 80% job, and there's certainly some things I had to touch up and go over, but overall, now that I've spent 20 minutes wiping it down with instant detailer, the car looks pretty decent. And I wouldn't have wanted to do that with as dirty as the car was, because there was so much dirt and dust that it would have likely scratched the paint. So from a closet detailer who's got a cart full of detailing supplies but still pays a detailer to do most of the hard work, this is what I think of the today's automatic car washes. I mean, it's not bad. Certainly a good starting point for a decent wash job.